Howdy everybody, Chris with Lawn and Life. I'm going to be doing a little bit of top dressing today. Really, I guess more spot top dressing, not my whole yard. I got a couple thinned out areas that I don't know if there's debris or rocks up under there or something like that, but I usually have to put some type of top dressing on those areas once or twice a year. Then it always helps it thicken up a lot faster. So let's get started. I got about a 50-50 mix of sand and just some Sta Green potting soil that I had left over from last year. So I'll kind of show you how I mix it up and how I spread it. Oh yeah, and before I forget, I always forget to ask, subscribe, drop a comment, like the video. Is that what you're supposed to say? Subscribe, drop a comment, like the video if you do. Anyway, I appreciate it. Look who's home. What you heathens doing?
Thunder?
Ooh, it's thundering. We got a storm coming. Video. You're in the video.
Use this?
No?
Somebody use it. It's one of my good dish rags. Why is it in the garage? I'll see that on.
One big key is you want to make sure you're not putting just thick layers of this. You don't want to suffocate the lawn. You just want to do maybe a 1/4 inch layer, just a very thin layer. The reason I do this is my driveway is just kind of angled weird, how it goes out to the main road and how the main road curves into it. So people always have a hard time backing out of my driveway. So they always pull through my grass. So I'll put this mixture where they ran through my grass, and it will always help the Bermuda spread and thicken back in that area really fast. Also last year, around that crepe myrtle, I had some lawn disease and some fungus that took out and killed a couple of small areas of my lawn. So I made this mixture up and I spread it out real there, and I fertilized it really good, and the grass just came back real fast, nice and thick, just like it never happened. All right, that's it, guys. I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, any comments about what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right, comment below. I'd appreciate it if you subscribed if you haven't. I'd appreciate it if you liked the video, if you like it. I guess you can unlike the video if you don't like it. Anyway, this is Chris with the Lawn and Life. I will see you in the next video, guys. Look at that. My neighbor in his driveway over there pressure washing. What's he doing? Trying to
Pressure wash.
What's he trying to do? Trying to show off? Trying to make his driveway and his yard better than mine?
Yeah.
We can't have that. Nope.